What's up, everybody? I know it's been a while since I last posted here on YouTube, but the other day I got a good feedback. Someone actually reached out to me and said, "Hey, you've not been posting for a while. What's going on?" And I said, "Hey, I've been busy with work, doing this and doing that." The person gave me awesome feedback. I just, said thank you very much. I appreciate that. So probably I'm gonna, start again making videos. I don't want to say how frequent that's gonna be right now, but that was really great feedback, and I like that. Yeah. Okay, so today I'm gonna tell you guys what's up. So I've not posted any videos in a while. What have you been up to, Joshua? Alright, I'm gonna tell you it's very simple. My team and I have been working on something really interesting, and I'm gonna share that with you straight up. Let's go to deployfaster.primereserved.com. The link is right there so you can see it. Alright, so once you come over here, you're gonna see that we have some websites here, but I'm gonna break down what this is about. So here is a business owner who actually needs a website. He or she reaches out to a development team and says, "Hey, I need a website." And they say, "Alright, tell me about your business." And they tell them about the business. Then they say, "Alright, okay, this is gonna take this long to actually get it done. It's gonna take 3 months. It's gonna take 2 months. It's gonna take," and I've personally participated in projects that actually went beyond 3 months. And yeah, so it actually takes a while to build a website, especially when you've got to do with the front end, the back end. It's just a lot to do, right? So what my team and I did was this. We sort of like did a little bit of reverse engineering, and we changed the process. So instead of us waiting for you to actually reach out to us and tell us you need a website, then we initiate the processes that actually go into that, the research and all of that. We said, what, we're gonna change something here. We are gonna think about a couple niches or industries, and we are gonna create full websites for them, front end and back end. So we thought about a couple of industries out there, and we created websites, full websites. So we did the research. Then the design team went into designing the lo-fi, the high fidelity design, and we reviewed those designs. Then the development team took it over. We coded everything up, right? We did reviews, we did testing, and we put it live online, fully deployed. Checked everything out, working nicely. Added the environmental variables to be sure that everything worked in production. And yeah, this is this full-blown website, complete front-end and back-end that we've done. Now, here is it. The business owner hasn't yet reached out to us and said, "Hey, we need a website." But we said, before you reach out to us, we are gonna anticipate that and do the whole thing and do something that's really good. So once you come on the website and you look at it, you say, "Oh my god, I just love it. Let's go with it." Right? But definitely you're gonna have to change the colors, and that's gonna be done real quick. We're gonna integrate your own content so it looks unique to your business and your organization. So yeah, you might have some brand colors to tell us about your brand colors. We just integrate those very quickly with your content as well. So that's what we've done. That's what I've been working on so far. So I just wanted to let you know about it. So go to deployfaster.primereserved.com. The URL is over there. And you could actually switch from Nigerian Naira to US dollar to British pound. And I'm just gonna switch back to Naira. Let's check this out. Alright, so now we've only done three full-blown websites, front end and back end, but we are gonna do some more. We're gonna build some more, definitely. Alright, so you could visit here very frequently to see what's going on. So I'm just gonna come over here. You can see we have one for e-commerce, which is that one. We have one for energy and industrial, which is this one. We have one for real estate. Let's take a look at this one. Alright, so if you click on view details, you get on there. It's just very normal. You're just gonna see a few thumbnails here to give you, a bit of a teaser of what to expect, right? And we're just gonna slide through and see all of that. You can click there. Okay. Alright, so read more about all of that the tags, the features, just learn about the technologies used as well. All right, so you could share this, click on share, copy that, share to someone that actually wants this. If you know a real estate agent or agency that actually needs this, that needs a website, it's just really awesome. It's a great property management website. And you could click on get this template if you like it, but before you want to get you might want to preview it first. If you click on preview, it's gonna open up like this, and you could just check it out here. If you go to the property section, just check out everything for yourself, right? But you could as well open this in new tab, right? If you do that, it's gonna look like so. I'm just gonna close it, but you just check it out for yourself. I mean, it's just really awesome. Everything here, the way it's been built, you could change the layouts. I could probably make another video about the specific websites that we just built. It's packed with different, awesome functionalities that I cannot even break down right now. So yeah, there's lots of things that you can do. Check it out yourself. If you like it, you want to go with it, you need this website for your real estate agency, or you check out the others. Once you like a website, it's very simple. What you do, click on get this template. You just put in your details, and then you select. So here we go website files only. If you can deploy this yourself, you just need the code base, access to the website files. We're just gonna give you that. If you want us to actually do the complete setup for you, you gotta click here, complete setup service. All right, in other words, we're gonna do the domain. If you don't have a domain, we'll get you a domain. If you don't have email services or stuff like that, we'll handle everything. Okay, so expected launch timeline. You select your launch timeline, right? So of course the price is over there. About your project, just tell us about your project, okay? And you'll write all of that there. This is about my project. Once you're done with that, click on request websites. Voila, there you go. And we're gonna get that request and reach out to you ASAP. Okay, so if you need a website, go to deployfaster.primereserved.com. We're gonna keep building more, though right now what you see there, you only see 3 websites. Yeah, good. So if you like any of those, or someone who actually needs a website ASAP, tell them about it. Okay, so it's pretty much about it for today. I'm not quite sure, did I actually start by introducing myself? I did not, because this is my YouTube channel, so I assume everyone knows me here. If you're new here, my name is Joshua. I'm a software developer and content creator. And yeah, subscribe to the channel, like and comment, and also share the video. Alright, do have a good day.